Want to know how to analyze a report or make the AgentGPT analyze a report in Reworked? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under the minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your AgentGPT website. Just simply head towards agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be right here. And I want to say here, since we want to name our agent, just simply type in anything. So since we want to analyze the report, just simply type in report GPT or anything that you like. And with the goal, just simply type in this prompt. So analyze this information, generate a short report. So again, just simply type in any information or any topic. So for this video, I'm just going for COVID-19 and then select play button right here and it should generate. And that's it, super simple and easy. And it should analyze information and generate a report. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. See you in the next one.